morning, Biloxi High students. I just want to tell you thank you very much for this morning. We got through a lot faster than we did yesterday. We're going to show this video that has some really good tips on being able to move through a lot faster and a little bit more organized. First and foremost, please take the time this weekend to go through your backpacks, get out all that loose change and all those paper clips and different things in the bottom of it. Y'all really need to clean out your backpacks anyway. We need to be organized. So what we're going to do is we're going to have an example of how you should be ready and approach the metal detector and have your items in the bucket, so on and so forth. If you have a Ziploc bag, this is a good way you can keep this in your backpack so that when you come to school, you put all of your small electronic items and everything in there. So just like this. The biggest thing that we saw today is students left their binders. Their binders were in their bags. That's going to make it go off right away. Also, all those little folders that have the 3 prongs that have the metal on them, take those out too. So all you're going to do is when you show up to the detector, have your bag in front like this, if you will, and just have it open. I'm going to slide it through. You're going to walk through. If it doesn't buzz, you're good. If it buzzes, very simply, you have this open. Move away from this area to the other area to put your things back in there.